Hi, it's Steven at Goodie Goodie, and I'm making white chocolate Goodie Goodie Gumdrop Fudge. How cute is that? Start by putting white chocolate chips into a bowl. Add some condensed milk and some butter. And finally your gumdrops, which are really important when it's called gumdrop fudge. These are regular sized gumdrops that I cut into quarters. And stir it up so it looks like this, all nicely covered. Put it in the microwave and heat at 30-second intervals. This took me about a minute. And stir it all up. Look at that, that looks beautiful. Pour into a container lined with plastic wrap and choose a container that'll give you about the right thickness for your fudge blocks. Put in the fridge for about 3 hours. And here I am removing it. It looks like I have chocolate fudge on my fingers. Sorry about that. And unwrapping the plastic wrap. And I chose a container that was round because I didn't have a square container that was small enough. So I cut the sides off, which are still great to eat. They're just not part of your fudge display. And cut them into quarters that created 4 nice sized blocks. Adding some Christmas decorations, some green leaves, and a couple of red berries. And check out a recipe for chocolate fudge on YouTube. And remember to like and subscribe.